Hey guys, what's up? The gamer guy here, and today I am show you how to play a gangster game. So first of all, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and like and smash the like button, and comment below that you are like video. And today I'm show you how to play a gangster game. First of all, there is a shop. There is a VIP cars, and there are many, but there is boxes who lock with the diamonds, and you can see here the boxes unlock with the diamond. Okay, so there we have many things to buy, but this is in VIP. This is the like guns, guns, and there is we have a tanker, VIP cars, aeroplanes, and boats, cars, sports cars, normal cars, buses, heavy bikes, and haircut, like many there are haircut, and the clothes of the man, and there is pants and jeans of the man's. And so there we go, and every day there we have a surprise, so we are now get is a surprise. Oh god, we have 5,000 cash. That's good. This is maybe take. Okay guys, so now we play the game. Cancel. So there is our man, like this, and we are going, and this is the icon that we have a gun, like we shoot anyone, like, okay, so this is how we can shoot. Oh god, we have to run. There are many cars like this. The police is with us, and we are about to run. Go. Oh god. So I am take you to airport, and then we fly the aeroplanes, and there are many helicopters. You can see. This is the way to airport. This is the place, and you can see the airplanes there, but we cannot sit or drive any airplanes, but we can drive a small jet. Okay, there are many there are a water airplane, and normal jet, and flying jet, and helicopter. This is how can fly. This is easily here. And this is how can you fly the airplane. This is how you can play. And after this I will take you to the army base, and there are many fighter helicopter, and you can see in the next video. I will take you out, and I will do the missions. Okay, By the way, this is my second video. And this is, we land the airplane, but we can find the car very far, so we can land at the supermarket. And we can land here an aeroplane. And there are the cars. Stop. I will take you in the car. This is a small video about how to play Gangster Vegas. This is not an interesting video. Like, this is simple video, but next video I think that should be interesting, and I will make mission. I will do the mission, and this game is awesome. And you can download this game at your mobile or tablet or iPad, something, etc. And this is a very good game. This is almost like the GTA 5, but GTA 5 you can't play in the mobile, so you can play in mobile. So smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment below that how was the video. And after a few months I will starting make the vlog. I will go and buy the vlog camera, and this is the very good video. There are many cars like Ferrari, Bentley, and Mustang, and the Jeep. All of the cars are here, like BMW, limousine, and there is a new part of Gangster Vegas, and that name is a Gangster and New Orleans. You can also download those, but this is the much more good than the version. This is the very good. So okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll make video tomorrow for you. So thank you and bye.